you see that fan? Can you see your favorite fan?
Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at that smile.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
smile at your mommy.
Here, let's sit
Oh,
up.
mommy.
Let's see. Let's see. Do
Oh.
we have more smiles? Or do you need to be able to see your fan, your favorite fan?
Oh, such a big girl. Hey, big girl. Hey, big girl.
Can you smile for us?
Smile.
Let's get one more smile. Let's get one more smile.
Big girl. Hi, Natalie. Hello.
Should I lay you back down so you can see your fan?
Hello.
Maybe that'll work better. Let's see here. There. Can you see the fan? You can look at the cameras now. You used up your smiles. That's what happens when the cameras come out.
Got rice in those things, right?
One more smile. One more smile. Hello.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
She almost has a frown on.
We're very serious now. She's concentrating.
Hey, Natalie.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
We gotta be quicker, huh? We gotta be quicker.
It wasn't a full smile.
Feel better?
Hey, sweetie.
Maybe after she eats, we'll see.
Yeah.
It's usually immediately upon awakening and then after eating.